Hello and welcome to the screencast introducing the sine and cosine functions. As a point traverses the unit circle, three quantities change in tandem: the distance the point has traversed, the y-coordinate of the point, and the x-coordinate of the point. Through radian measure, we can identify the distance the point has traveled with the measure of a central angle, and thus think of the y-coordinate and x-coordinate of a point on the circle as each being a function of the central angle. These perspectives lead us directly to the definitions of two of the most important functions in mathematics, the sine and cosine functions. Throughout our earlier work with the unit circle, we can determine the exact value of both the sine function and the cosine function at the 16 special points on the unit circle. And by studying these values and more, we can see how the periodic graphs of the sine and cosine functions are generated. Because the sine and cosine functions are circular functions, we can also identify their midline, amplitude, and period by thinking about the unit circle. For many students, they first think of the sine and cosine functions as being connected to right triangles. While this perspective is valid, it is much better to view the sine and cosine functions as resulting from the process of tracking a point as it traverses the unit circle, as this helps us understand the oscillating behavior of their respective graphs and also see key connections between the values of these two related functions.